Today, I'm going to show you how to enable the Quick Access Toolbar in Microsoft Word in just a few seconds. This is one of those small settings that can make a big difference because it gives you instant access to the commands you use most often, like save, undo, redo, and other tools you want right at the top of your screen. If you work in Word regularly, this can save time and make your workflow a lot smoother. Before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple software guides just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it tells me to keep making tutorials that are easy to follow. Alright, let's jump into it. To enable the Quick Access Toolbar in Word, the first thing you need to do is open Microsoft Word and look at the ribbon area at the top of the window. The ribbon is the section where all your tabs and commands are located, like Home, Insert, Draw, and Review. Now right-click anywhere on the ribbon. It doesn't matter which tab you right-click on as long as it's on that top menu area. Once you right-click, a small menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option that says Show Quick Access Toolbar. Click that option and Word will immediately turn on the Quick Access Toolbar. As soon as you do that, you should see the Quick Access Toolbar appear at the top of the Word window. Depending on your version of Word, it may show up above the ribbon or below it, but either way, it will now be visible and ready to use. This toolbar is designed to give you fast one-click access to your most important commands, so instead of digging through menus, you can work faster and more efficiently. If you want, you can also customize the Quick Access Toolbar later by adding your favorite commands to it. That means you can make Word work the way you want it to. For example, you could add Print, New, Open, or any other tool you use often. But for now, the main goal is simply to turn it on, and right-clicking the ribbon is the fastest way to do that. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're clicking on the ribbon itself and not inside a document or on a blank area of the page. The right-click menu needs to come from the top toolbar section for this method to work properly. And that's it. You've now enabled the Quick Access Toolbar in Word. It's a quick fix, but it can make a big difference in how you use the program every day. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Word tips, Microsoft Office tutorials, and easy software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.